Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So the video you're going to see here is a swipe and spin, and I did something a little bit different when I lay down the colors, and it's a slight subtle difference, but it is one that you can see in the finished product. So basically for half of the canvas, I laid my colors in a line in a certain order, and then for the other half, I switched that order. So in the video, you'll see me lay down the colors for half of the canvas. I did green, gold, QNAG, and then purple. And then for the other half, you'll see me switch the colors. So I'll lay down the purple first, then the QNAG, then the gold, then the green. And yeah, I'm really liking the difference there. It's the same colors and it's a subtle difference, but you can see the difference. So yet again, another cool thing you can do with the swipe and spins to kind of change them up and do something a little different. So I will have the formula and my colors listed in the description box. I also have online courses if you're looking for something a little more in-depth and more of a step-by-step approach to my techniques that I have here. That's something good for you guys to check out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.